Shalom and welcome to Biblical Hebrew Made Easy. This is Genesis 1:8 and it is lesson 30. So today we're going to go over the words for Genesis 1:8 and we're going to go over the meaning of each word. And I'm going to be adding in 5 modern Hebrew vocabulary words that are very essential if you uh, go to Israel. And I will try to add some of those um, every week or every other week. I'm also trying to add the Spanish translation. I've had people ask me if I can add it. But I'd like to know what your opinion is. I've only had like 5 or 6 viewers that are interested, and it is time consuming. So if I get more, I would gladly add that. Let me know if there is anything else that you may be interested in, and if I have, I would gladly do it. So let's begin with Genesis 1:8. Vayikra Elohim la rakia shamayim vayehi erev vayehi voker yom sheni. Okay, remember that anything that you see that is not a vowel marker, but where you need to emphasize that word. So, for instance, you have this accent mark. You would say Elohim. So the accent mark is here. Elohim. La rakia. La rakia. So I've gone over that before. And, you can make note of it so that when you see something other than your vowel markers, you know that those are like accent marks. Okay. It's also used for cantors, so they know how to sing, emphasize the song. Here we go. Vayikra. Vayikra. And he called Elohim, God, La Rakia, expanse or the expanse, Shemayim, sky, Vayehi, and it was, Erev, evening, Vayehi, and it was, Voker, morning, Yom, day, Sheni, second. Y llamó Dios, and God called, a la expansión, the expansion, cielos, skies. Y fue la tarde, and it was in the afternoon. Y fue la mañana, and it was morning. El segundo día, the second day. That is for Genesis 1 to 3. We're on 8. For my patrons, I will have this available for you if you request it. I will not put them up all the time. This is just complimentary right now. So here we go. In the beginning, Bereshit, in, be, the, He, light. Or, he said. Amar, let me make this bigger. I'll make a mistake myself. Okay. Amar, sky. Shemayim, water. Mayim, wind or spirit. Ruach, and. Ve, God. Elohim. Okay. And let's go over the 5 words. I've used this before in my other studies. Lehitraot. 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 It means goodbye or see you later. Lo means no. It's an easy one to remember. Okay. Instead of N, it's NL. Lo, no. Ken means yes. Ken, yes. Toda. Toda, thank you. This one is easy. We say that bye, right? It's kind of short for bye-bye or goodbye. So, bye, bye. So, I hope you enjoyed this lesson. Please give it a like. And let me know in your comments if there's anything that you would like me to add to my lessons. And if I can, I will. And let me know how you're enjoying. I do take a lot of time putting these lessons together. It's an act of love, and I want others to learn God's language, Hebrew language. I think it's a fascinating language, and there's just so much to learn. So, lehitraot, toda.